Yo guys, watch me literally KO Grandma.
Finish here.
Oh my god. That needs to happen again. Yo, Grandma, come at me.
You've got to for me.
Yes, sir. Yo guys, what's up? We're gonna do the water bottle flip challenge. Oops. Plate flip challenge. Knife flip challenge. Knife flip.
You're getting far from me.
I killed her. It's a fork.
You're getting far from me.
Nope.
Finish here.
Eat this. Yo, Grandma, wake up. Did you see that? I tried to just end the clip and I went flying. Wait, let me try that on Grandma.
Finish here.
Oh God. Now you try to hit me with a pan? Now I hit you with a pan. I missed. Oh, juked. So yeah, I forgot to tell you. Back with more on Cat. Get pranked! Finally! Hey, how are you not cooked up from last time? Yeah, because I've got to cook you up again. The pan fell, so I'm going to use my hands. Let's do this. Grandma, don't worry about what I'm doing. Grandma, give me the fish! Grandma, move! Fatty? Yes, sir. Let me feel it. Alright, he cooked up. I think we gotta do it more. Yeah, don't you think that's too little? Yes, sir. I think you could do a little bit more.
You'll get larger for me.
Grandma. Oh.
You're getting far from me.
She's invincible! She's invincible!
You're getting far from me.
How is she? Grandma. Finally. Yeah, I could do way more.
Finish here. You've got to for me.
She's invincible. She's invincible. Because I hit you with a pen now. Nah, I think I need a bit more. I wasn't looking. Because I hit you with the pen now. is it, Damasco? Now I speak your language. I am now you. Just die, yo.
You came far from me.
Just die. Oh my god. Oh my god. You want me to throw this at you again? Yeah. That's better. Oh my god, this is a nice cooked up meal. That looks delicious. Yo, let's burn down Grandma's house. Ah. Yo, Grandma, you want to get tased? Walk into me, I dare you. You asked for it. Nah, because I'm the master in this house. Not you. That's what I thought. Yeah, wake up, I dare you. You're gonna fall from a fish again. I can't pick it up. I can't pick it up. I can't pick it up! I can't pick it up. I have... Bro, I can't pick it up. Grandma! I got the fish out of my mouth. Yippee. Yo, Grandma, eat fish food. It's healthy, protein. It's got protein in it, which you need because you're so fat. Yo, is this Grandpa? Yo, is this Grandpa's magical thing? Haha. Yo! Move out of the way! Yo, Grandma, why you got other cats in this house? Bro! Yo, is this the YouTuber stick? I was gonna say it looks like an egg. After his new live stream. Because now he shaved his head. Grandma, this pig looks like you. Because you're a pig. You're fat and ugly. Alright, we're gonna be reading the book again after last time. Grandma ruined it. Grandma. No. You're not gonna ruin my video. Alright. The Poopies, the Chocolate, the Skibidi, Ohio Wrestler. Alright, guys, that was a good book. Yo, Grandma, you want braids again? I got you. You wanted braids again? Yes, sir. Let's go. Bro, can I get up? Yo, Grandma, I'm about to give you some nice braids again. But instead, we're going to make it even better. You know what? I ain't giving you braids. Because you got mad at me. Ha. Grandma, I swear, if you hit me with the pan again like last time, I swear I will shave your head off. Do it. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? I warned you. Literally, I warned you and you still decide to hit me. You know what? How about you eat this remote? How about that? Yo, is Steak back? Yo, Steak! Why you looking like an egg again?
Open the you again.
I hate this plant! Yo, Grandma! Don't judge me, I play basketball. Oh, I missed! Oh, Grandma! Oh, crap! Grandma, chill! I'm a good cat! Ugh. You want me to scream at you again? Yeah! Water bottle flip! Alright, what if I warned you you would look like a tomato. I warned you would look like a tomato if you hit me with the pan. Here, you look like a fish now. Oh my god. Yo, Grandma, what your Halloween costume gonna be, by the way? Yo, Grandma, move, you fatty! I can't move! Yo, Grandma, you never told me you were a furry. Ew, it's a furry! Yo, wait, Grandma, what you gonna be for Halloween? No, Grandma. No. Bad girl. Ah. Bro, let me stay. Bro. Oh my god, my Sigma spot. Bro, let me stay in my Sigma spot. Yo, what is this? Water bottle flip challenge. Oops. Grandma, I told you to stop drinking this stuff. This weird stuff. Water bottle flip. Water bottle flip. Plate flip, I don't know if that was even a thing. I'm gonna keep doing this until I land it. It's all because of your fatness. Ah! Ah! Oh my god, oh my god, my god, let me up! What the? What the? How is this? I'm pro throw. I'm pro. Yo, Grandma, you want this? I didn't even touch you! Grandma, move! Move!